Hi, my name is Paige. I'm an educator. I'm also the co-founder of Fetchy. I wanted to give you a quick glimpse into Fetchy and how easy it is to use. So I'm on the inner workings of Fetchy, and I'm going to go ahead and go to organize. That's one of my favorite categories. There are some really powerful tools in organize. So let's start with generate step-by-step teaching directions. I am going to put in, let's do 8th grade. I feel like 8th grade would be the perfect grade level to show for an example. So I put that in there. I'm going to take a science standard about energy because that is what they learn in my state in 8th grade. So there is a standard straight from the core, just pasted it in, and it's going to break down and give me step-by-step directions for myself and for students to understand this concept. I love this. I would never necessarily use this in isolation, but to help just ground myself and help me organize my thoughts and thinking in terms of how I'm going to approach a concept with students, this is a game changer. I also like, sometimes I will do this. I love to go in and I love to just digest what it's given me, and then there are certain aspects, almost always, that I need a little bit more clarity on. So what works super well is you can copy from within the response, go ahead and paste it, and delve deeper into the step-by-step directions. As you saw, that's just what I did. Love it. Makes it so much easier. It's kind of like the secret weapon that you don't necessarily want everyone to know you're using, but it really makes a difference in your practice. So this is a great example. Okay. So that is one of the favorite tools I have in Organize, but let me show you a second favorite tool. So along the lines of the same science standard that I would be using for my 8th grade students, I'm gonna go ahead and go into generate a list. This is truly one of the most powerful tools on Fetchy. And it's so funny because people do not realize how much power this tool has. So let me show you what I'm going to do. That science standard for my 8th grade students, this is a piece of that standard. I really want my students to have different ways to compare energy, and I'd love to get some ideas of that. And I could go on Fetchy and find an example or a science experiment, but really just a nice little list of ideas and inspiration is exactly what I need. So I'm going to paste that in here, and I'm going to get a wonderful list of different ways that my students could compare energy. Perfect for what I need, only took a moment, and now I can supplement and just tie directly into the lesson. So you have to understand all of these tools can be used in conjunction with each other or in isolation. There are plenty of ways on Fetchy that you can write lesson plans, you can get projects, you can get examples, you can break down concepts, you can get teaching directions, you can expand upon information. Use it how you see fit, but play with it. The more you play with it, the more you get out of it. Okay, thank you so much. Talk to you later. Bye.